Hello, my name is Christine and let me welcome you to the video presentation of the 2 mistaken beliefs about being wealthy. This article is written by Rishon B. and this video presentation is brought to you by AttractingAbundanceHQ.com. A lot of discussion about being wealthy had arisen since the release of The Secret. Along with it are speculations and mistaken beliefs, which can only be expected since it has been passed from one person to another. In this article, we will discuss these mistaken beliefs. Observing the thoughts talked about in this particular article will help you have an easier time working on being rich. However, failing to do so will give you tough time as it's possible you'll also be doing the rules of mistaken beliefs. Based from my very own experience, you need to have serenity so as to work on being wealthy easily. You may have a tough time if you're not in this particular state. If you resist, then you can be confused, hence blocking the flow of wealth into your life. Mistaken belief number 1. Be optimistic all the time. And again, based from my very own experience, and my clients will agree with me when I say that this isn't true. You truly cannot have power over what specifically to think each and every minute of the day. This is simply not viable. As well as when you force yourself to do that, you can be dissatisfied with yourself if you're a bit unenthusiastic. It can rotate into an awful succession as you oppose more. You should not judge yourself for having harsh feelings so as to stop this cycle. Just consider all things that enter your mind. You cannot simply consider cheerful thoughts since altering things as they truly can be fruitless. You have the alternative to take time off throughout the day and imagine that you've already accomplished your objective. Throughout these instances, simply be positive and truly feel that you have already attained what you've always wanted. Doing this repeatedly might make you truly hopeful without trying too hard. You would be shocked that you do not have to try as hard since this occurs naturally. Mistaken belief number 2. It is possible to attract whatever you want at any moment. This is kind of complicated. It is believed that individuals might attract whatever thing they truly desire immediately. It is essential to truly believe that you can accomplish what you truly desire. Even though we truly try hard to believe that we may accomplish something, we unconsciously think otherwise. This is the significance of the actuality we exist in. Try to not struggle in this battle. You need to let it to be a part of your life and handle it. To be able to conquer something, it's a lot better to start with small goals. In doing so, you can develop the method of truly believing you can reach it. Then you can aim for superior goals. This will truly make things a lot improve. The aforementioned are the 2 mistaken beliefs on being wealthy. The very next thing you have to do right after reading this particular article is to know the way you need to fight these adverse ideas. And then you need to let go of these adverse thoughts. I'm hoping that this article will help you achieve your goals as I believe that everyone has the right to be rich. These are my resources. My website at http://attractingabundancehq.com. Watch the step-by-step blueprint for attracting anything you want into your life by going to http://video-reveals-step-by-step-blueprint-for-attracting-anything-you-want. How to manifest absolutely anything and see results in 2 days flat without silly fluff, Jedi mind power skills, or years of practice, guaranteed. At http://manifestitalltoday.com/manifestanything. And lastly, Effortless Abundance Blueprint, the synergy of internal peace and external success. At http://effortlessabundancesite.com. Thank you and have a great day.